Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with IRS form submission portals for returns, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with IRS form submission portals for your tax returns, start by visiting the official IRS website. Look for the specific portal relevant to your tax return submission. Once on the portal, locate the Sign In or Login button. Click the button to access the authentication page. You will need to enter your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Next, input your filing status from your latest tax return. Then, provide your date of birth for identity verification. The system may ask for additional security questions related to your tax history. Answer these questions accurately to proceed. If you have previously created an account, enter your password. For first-time users, you may need to create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your username and password. After creating your account, you may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the link to verify your email address. Return to the IRS portal after verification. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the form submission section. Select the specific form or return you need to file. Review all information carefully to ensure accuracy. Complete any additional required fields during the submission process. If necessary, attach any supporting documentation as specified. Before finalizing, double-check all entries for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, submit your return. Save a confirmation of your submission for your records. Stay within the portal to track the status of your return. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the portal for troubleshooting. Contact the IRS support line if you need further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.